Peace FM 104.3. Who to meet Taki?
Nana. First of all, Electoral Commission, any near Ecoso. A woman say Electoral Commission, a independent body. Woman say Emra. Tanichia or the Ayen Juma or no any crack to me. Nemum Esan say Yenra Yaji to Musa, I was say Bibi Biara, ya say, oh, Bibia who quite. Nemum a Bibiana, a amount.
Mums asking with Rabin.
My mecano, say,
free Rabin.
Are they now
20 senior Ghana? Sabre Nella Commission, no new quite so Eddie Oyen.
Say that way in 2016.
Or no, or Koyesa registration still said you was a Mrs. Sada me, and Master Mrs. Sada, Sabra Namracona, who just said, Namracona, Sabra Namun himself let commission or the Rayajma. Okay,
now the difference and Electoral Commission, was a logo as an institution. Now, me as a political party. Meko catch say man and say and say on say different from say abattoir hun sensem nyina no ejina abattoir process na register no eka na say register no ho abasem na say wontwe bi aba na saa na muntu no ebetumi de asem bi aba ochina na ne ye bokokwa na be fi say obia en ye bibia ye boni esan say Electoral Commission, in spite of the 2 million or 1 Bibiano, or no one kasa as a commission, and the status of O2 and among say obey consultation. And then some brain and all status of your consultation. Now you will say Emrabi, Emmanuel Quine say, or Yeniope. So, name a sefata say Yenina Yebiano, Nayako Benko. Na asembia nkofiri etire ma Matthew Makali mempene bi emba abato no a yekoto no 2020 ni enti Electoral Commission ankasa na muntu no ena makwan ema ene obi nso tenase na ohwe no ye Ghana ni mapa a waye edwuma efa tese mentimi ho ase hu nsansam a watumi ayesa edwuma no akọ etire ma aban Ghana ban on several occasions, so far as I'm concerned, I make Mekai, to me, Emma no crab a year, Juma, and so no one can to me to an among, especially in the issue of labor issues. Now, we better say, if you more strike, you be more say, a buying into your car, or more penny in the account, what to me, I say, Juma. None that seem to be Abba. Emma meant to me was to be a per se a bar, yet the Aquaquay election 2020, on also pair from your my Ghana. It's a say, Juma oil. Say, some Jenny or mine more. What to be yes, Jumano, and yes, Cano, and I say, for so free more ever. This is Ghana, as some Johanna, some Genia. As we speak now. Well, I know a relative in the sense, say, would be some say, dainty, Anna. Miss Johanna, some Genia. Master, and yet dainty, Miss, as some Johanna, and some Genia. A relative to say yes or no. I see. Depending on near warfare. Name Sasumjo Honne, now and I'm on 2 because ye are no straight crowd. Because question ye are no straight. Oh, the answer no man is straight. Evian Tiasiamba. Yet to welcome the Mayanka Sasa de Bea, Ubia Betty and Wasi. Yabeka say, Ofa Electoral Commission. Now, Ofa proposals are already up to home. Now, if you must see one company. Indeed, and yet NDC inquire as a political party because McKinsey a lot of news are what better say NDC and other political parties in the account. As a fact, say you be to an amount pabia, yenino, yebinya, yevan saying, Asumbia, that's a peace of mind, yet they back to election 2020. And the Oshe or Singami also, Gami and Gami associate and Bibisa, and Sana Efre, Gami. As woman, only credible, no 2 ways about that. Say, why you do my work even within the country.
Say, Assembly easy any party organ and Gambian or Gambian say or mobile resolve. There are some nesi.
Asɛm no a easy and kasa to anamon. Ayi eminent committee a wɔn nka electoral commission ho. Sɛ wɔn embra betena se. Esa sɛ easy enim sɛ bibi timi ba ema wo behia ebi mu de sɛ parties na wo de wɔn eye adwuma no. Ene wo ebe kasa ma sumye aba anase ntiase aba. Let's use the right word. Ntiase beba ama yakoye nim. Esa sɛ bat wɔn nsɛm ehia ntiase yi. Esa sɛ wɔn ntiase anase obeti on ntiase a the problem or how bebe eba ama etimi plunge or minor kasa into chaos. Enti na yisi ankasa to anamo asɛm na ne committee no yi wɔn no a wɔn efre other political parties say yɛmbɛtena se na yɛnka asɛm no na yɛn so na ebepem ne then na solution a wɔn ɛde bai solution mi amai emre nso kwa na ɛkɔ the atmosphere is so tense into one hwɛ ni yi na one to anamo mpa bi a ebe abeti any possible problems are na won't why hwan enti be me de ma fa mu de me gidi se easy enso betie wo esa so mo ankasa na to the first step say eminent committee no
trading kekenso no say you need be man menti ase o sa ho no kakra ne say electoral commission say me betro di in any case Ghana mamra no and show be a force say do election akokoto aba anakotro it is electoral commission no wo ho kwan so edwuma say me ba betro di na say won te ase ana ompere so a wonim say o bio data order than do nkonkotro anya fie na atra we basa me de bo mem
correct inti nipa ni tena fie na wankoto aba no a wonim say abato a civic responsibility
but enye e fan say emra na nhyew
Debbie, by a civic responsibility.
But Ghana Brano enforce so chinchina chinse kotoaba.
Of course, Ghana Brano cram for so chinchina set in Ghana. Obeti ma kotra bi biara okay. Now what naturalize ya o mine
this year.
But ye pese ye so ye build ye mine. Esan say ebi mu etu anamo. Yehwe moja ebi mu ahonden ebi mu dwumaden ene ma o man no ye kyekyere de to ho ma ye nti ye nso asade se ye be ye ne ye be ya o man no be kodeni na ikyiri mba nso abeka se edikanfo ebo o mo hombodin nti sa na muntu we me de me hunu se ya na muntu bi a wo se di problem ba isi ankasa ye bi na obi nso se me nso metimi aboa mu to get solution menhwe I want to hear Isi's response. Na ma conclude say indeed say easy as someone amanfo kafa no ho say offer entrenched position na entrenched position no entumi emma abato mu nsensem enye se ne ye nyina ye pen ho ananso say obeje na home na waka say okay yembra because my ready me dey me fi say nya me ye no right into obi amfa na asem beto wo na obi nso embra a we third party a wono nso ebetumi ahwe nsem no mu na yenya ye fa say enkabum ene Asumbia yede ebeko 2020 election. But when you come ye can corruption ones and someone media makasi su de bia say there is no way wo be catch say wo pese wo kutia po ene kata hye na emum wo opponent no ene ye wo targets eno no en ye friend fight against corruption ye friend persecution say wo di obi echi na wo pese wo say ni party na wo pese wo say ni nkofo na wo mo ntumi enya honden embe compete enji tumi no senia edikampo ye na ebepem nne a wo so benya ye no enti at least say anye hwe kura no a minim the commitment of the NDC fighting against corruption no na edikan no say obe building institutions no obe ma wo tumi ne ahonde o be tumi de aye adwuma men kai hwe kura no John the man amamu upon homebody parliament one key area yet so mwase na womutumi gina yi a womubetimi aye womudwuma ni yi I saw the expansion yeboa parliament womwenya wom offices ne bibia abeboa ama womutumi aye sa adwuma no John Dramani Mahama Edgar ne sika na investi womu se ne be ya yebetumi afight against corruption woja adwuma no a ene akade a wo de be ye adwuma no wo de no to nchen a ye nyina ye hu the high court first at the minimum say court bi wo ho a automated until John Amani Mahama Mills administration
Mame
court to say woman to bet me aye omoduma no ahare wo mo ama ye nyina no ye won say ukodu court a ye bet me do wasem no ntem sa twetwe bi wo ho a ya twetwa so na mom ne ye hu ha no eye se na na do dan kwa akopɔ do aban no sa court no ana parliament ana bibia ye fi say ye nkodi asem no onfa na asem nko ho
Mate Alhaji Nazir Mohammed Medase papa
This FM 104.3 Good to meet Taki.